Hi, my name is Aaron Roach. I'm chief here at the Wolf Creek Fire Department. I've been a member for 6.5 years. Some of our biggest needs here at the department are helmets, gloves, hoses, nozzles, thermal imaging camera. It's really any type of personal equipment. As a family man, my proudest moment as chief is to bring each fireman back home to his family safely.
Hi, my name is Paula Parkin. I've been with Wolf Creek Volunteer Fire Department for 6.5 years now, and I'm a lieutenant here. Another thing I love about being on Wolf Creek Fire Department is getting to work with a group of women who provide rehab for our firemen. Anything they need, from water to first aid, we provide to keep them safe.
My name is Adam Thompson. I'm a lieutenant at the Wolf Creek Volunteer Fire Department. I've been a member for 7.5 years. I became a firefighter because I wanted to serve and help our community in their time of need. One of the unique ways we have a positive impact on our community is to provide fire protection for drivers and spectators at Spring City Raceway every Friday night. Also, we help teach fire safety and fire prevention to our local community. One of the unique things in our district is Watts Bar Nuclear Plant, which is currently constructing a second reactor. We are the primary off-site fire protection for the plant. Another unique thing in our district is the presence of Norfolk Southern Railroad, which on average runs a train every 5 to 10 minutes, carrying anything from food to hazardous materials.
I'm Freddie Locke. I've been a firefighter for Wolf Creek for 6 months. I wanted to join the fire department because my cousin inspired me to be a firefighter. I like being a part of Wolf Creek Fire Department because I'm surrounded by great people who treat me like family. My proudest moment as a firefighter is being able to take part in saving a single life home.
My name is Will Sargent. I'm a lieutenant here at Wolf Creek Fire Department. I've been a firefighter for 5 years. I started firefighting really on accident. I joined the rescue squad, and through that had the opportunity to sign up as a firefighter, and I did. And I really fell in love with it. One of the reasons I love Wolf Creek Fire Department is the camaraderie and the family atmosphere that we have developed here. Each and every person on this department is like a brother or sister to me. Wolf Creek Fire Department operates on a limited budget from year to year. Every dollar we have counts, and a $5,000 grant would allow us to replace old, badly beaten helmets for each member, purchase new structural firefighting gloves, as well as purchase much needed equipment such as nozzles for each truck.
My name is Daniel Parkin. I'm captain of Wolf Creek Fire Department. I've been on the department for 6.5 years. Some of my main concerns are the helmets are falling apart, our gloves won't withstand heat anymore, our nozzles are staying open on fogs, we can't get them to straight stream anymore, dump tanks got holes in it, and it's becoming a real issue now, and we really need to fix these problems. Our calls have almost doubled, and it's hard to keep going with the equipment problems that we are having. And the money would definitely help out with most of our problems, and it'd help a lot more, with our equipment failures and stuff like that. We really need this. Absolutely need it. This is our engine base. This is a 1990 E1 Hush. The cab would be one. This is where we keep our Spirion air packs. And while we're standing right here, this is a lot of issue that we're having with our helmets. They won't adjust anymore. The line's falling out of them. This is a pump panel of E1. This is our scene lights and flashlights that we have on E1. Spare packs. Equipment. Our dump tank foot. Our engine tube is a 1978 Ford. This This is a cab engine tube. And as I said, the helmet issue is the same on all the helmets that we do have. They will not adjust. This is what we're trying to fight fire with. As you can see though, they won't straight stream, they only fog. Where we keep our bottled water and brush rakes. Our first aid supplies is kept in here. Our chainsaws are right here. There's another one of our firefighting nozzles. It's our generator. We have air packs. And this is the pump panel on E2. This is our support truck that we're trying to get working. It's a 1985 Dodge. And we have our spare equipment on the top shelf. We have our tool cabinet over here to the right. And this is our tanker. This puppy supplies 3,000 gallons of water. And this is the cab of our tanker. And it's in a standalone bay that we haven't got electricity ran to yet. This is our community room. We rent this out to members of the community to help with our funding. It's also used as a storm shelter for severe weather. And this includes a tour of Wolf Creek Fire Department. And this grant would really help with our firemen's safety and to better help us with our community.